Hello, welcome in. How's it going? Getting things set up here. All right. Today we're going to be doing Python basics like we were talking about like last week. We wanted to get into Python basics. We did C basics previously. We did some PyTorch and the previous few weeks. I want to get back into PyTorch eventually. And that's why we're getting into Python basics now. We're going to act today, right now. The important thing that I want to do first off is get our list of what we're going to learn about. So I've got here, hey, how's it going? Thank you. I saw little floaty heart icons there. I don't know who that is, but hey, how's it going? Good to see ya. Welcome on in. Happy Monday. Hey, Neva. Hey, am I first? Neva, how's it going? Hey, man, how are you? We're doing good. Thank you for asking. Good to see ya. Python. Yeah, we're doing Python. Hey, Kyle. And Renesra. Renesra, how's it going, Renessa? I'm doing good. It is Monday. It's where things are happening. How's it going there? Marley, how's it going? Welcome on. Hi, sir. We're going to do some Python basics. We're going to start out our list. We're going to list out what do we want to cover? Like, what are the things that we want to cover? So let's make a list. I think a really good idea would be to cover, right, flow control. We could do that. So like if, else, if, and then else, right? Python's weird. It doesn't, you don't have to spell the whole else. You spell one letter off. It's one letter off. Then we could do loops, right? So we could do while loops. What there are other kinds. There's a for loop, right? I'm pretty sure there's a for loop in Python. I don't want to be in touch. For loop, while loop. We can do some other things, and we could also do map reduce. This might not be initially. We might not do this one today because it's a little more advanced. It's a smidgen more advanced. All libraries with examples. Ooh, that would be a bit like. We're gonna. Okay. We could add some common libraries in there. Okay, Kyle, you bring up a good point. We can do some common libraries. Raries, like, yes, sort of like, what do you call that? NumPy. And matplotlib. I don't know. We can do some of those. There's no elif. Oh yeah, elif. Yes, thank you, elif. So I think it's elif, right? There. Okay, elif. I think it's elif. Yeah, Python. We're doing it. Far less than a few. How's it going? Good to see you. I joined the stream so I don't feel like a noob. All right, Kevin McAllister. Hey, how's it going? Good to see you. Oh, it's great to see everyone's here. This is awesome. Hey, Bladesy. Good to see you. I would take a lifetime. It would take a lifetime. It might take a lifetime, you guys. It would. Oh, Ryan reminds me, I need to make an example code for PyTorch. Neva, you remembered? I was thinking about that. Yeah. One of the things I want to do with PyTorch is go through every single matrix manipulation function. There's quite a few. There's reshapes. There's, of course, what else is there? There's a whole bunch of them. And I want to go through. That'll be maybe later on. So like at the end, we can start getting into PyTorch because PyTorch is a pretty beefcake library. It is. Or all the standard ones built in. Oh yeah, common libraries. Advanced libraries. We should say this is the advanced library. Advanced libs. We could just say libs. And then we have common libs. What are some common libs? Math. You got math, right? Then you've got, what else? Regex. We could do regex. We could do some of that. Although that gets a little bit more advanced, right? Map reduce. We should also do arrays. We could do classes, arrays, objects. Right? We want to do objects. What else? Reshape, permute, stack, concat, contraction. Nice, Neva. Thank you. Yeah, exactly. Right? At what situation do we want to use each of them? That's what I want to do. OS. Oh, that's a good one. OS. Nice. Thank you, Bladesy. Good one. Hey, Mohammed. How's it going? Welcome on in. Max, argmax, index by, int, bool, tensors. That's a lot of stuff. It is. It's a lot of stuff. Actually, it seems like that's a decent amount of things, actually. Doesn't it? It seems like a little bit. Stephen, can you explain matrix, tensors, etc.? Yes, we could do that. So we could do that. We could go, and then maybe we'll go extra advanced with PyTorch. Maybe this is what we'll like lead into. So Kevin McAllister, yes. Although that'll be later, because otherwise we get straight into the advanced stuff, right? So like tensors and matrix. Tensor slash matrix, right? Because they're essentially the same thing. Matrix. There we go. Matrix. Intermediate. Yeah, exactly. It is. It's gonna be a little bit more intermediate. It's a little more intermediate. Steve, there is even a more, honestly, I feel like doing stuff that is actually used more in depth is better. Yeah, good point. We should focus on the more readily common used built-in methods. There, right? That's what we should do. We should definitely do that. I think it's a good idea. Man, I missed how have you been? Hey, Robble, we're doing good. How's it been going? It's good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Monday. It's Monday now, right? Isn't it? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Monday. It's Monday. I was pretty sure it was Monday. Maybe we have a project to tie everything together. Yes, a good idea. So then at the very end project to wrap up the series. This will be a long series. It'll be a pretty long series. So this could be like 1 to 2 weeks, at least. Can you hack Denmark for Trump? Oh, yeah, that's right, because of Greenland. Hey, Steve12, good to see you. Welcome on in. You always got to have that one drop question in there, don't you? Yep, you got to. It's good to have you here. Good to have you here. Forgot about how to do the loop in Python. We'll do some loops in Python. We'll do some loops. I forgot the for loop because I know the while loop's pretty straightforward. So like, right, while you do like this, right? It's like while true, done, right? Easy, boom, and then you just end it. You're good to go. And you end it, and you're good to go. Also, classes we can do inheritance. Is that how you spell that? Is that how you spell inheritance? Let's double check. Let's double check that. Inheritance. Yeah, did I spell it right? No, I didn't. You gotta spell things properly here. There we go. Spell it. Oh, boom, boom. All right. Inheritance, classes. Oh, dunder methods. There we go. We should do dunder methods. ODS. Now we're getting into it. Sup, Stephen? Hey, how's it going? Good to see ya. Maya? How do you say your name? File handles and typecasting. Ah, nice. Typecasting. And then writing files. Excellent. Writing files. That's a good one. You guys are doing good. This is great. Just do a super simple beginner section so newer people feel welcome. Yes, we should do that. Thank you for the likes, you guys. It's good to have you here. Something I could clip it or... Yeah, you could if you want. Go for it. Make it happen, Kyle. Just got an advertisement. Oh, you did? No way, really? You got an advertisement? What did it say? How's it going there, Manny? Hey, how's it going, Manny? Manny Haran again. How's it going? For X in L. Oh, thank you, Neva. Yeah, that's how you do the for loop. It's really easy. I forgot about that. Functional programming. Oh, yeah, we could do some functional. So lambda / functional. We could do that. And then closures, things like that. We could do that. Functional lambdas. Yep, we could do that as well. All right. Plan for Java. We could do Java, although why? Do we really have to do Java? I mean, you don't need to do it anymore. Like Python, yeah, you do Python all the time. JavaScript, yes, there's JavaScript everywhere. But Java, you don't need Java unless, I mean, if you want to run the JVM, you use Kotlin now, right? Use Kotlin or Scala, right? Or Clojure. You could do Clojure, right? When I say Clojure, I'm talking about the Clojure, right? With the J. The Java JVM Clojure. PHP, you could do PHP, right? Why don't you like Java? It's an academic language, and it's verbose, and you have to type a whole bunch. It's a lot, and you don't need it, and it's slow. Well, I mean, it's not super slow. Don't get me wrong. There is a good performance in Java. It's just not as fast as I want it to be. I want it to be really fast. It's like list comprehension. Yes, thank you. List comprehension. Yeah, there we go. List comprehension. You got it. We're making it. Oh, yeah, request library. Good idea. Request lib. So we should stick that common libs. That's underneath the common libs. Go to the request libs. Yep. Making things happen. We need a Rust tutorial soon. Yeah, we could do that as well. We could do Rust tutorial. We should do that. I would like that better. Can we do Rust before Java at least? Right. the pathlib. Hey, Kevin McAllister, right? Pathlib. So you can do things like base dir name, path, file name. You can do a whole bunch of things. And there's a neat dunder method with the / which allows concatenation that makes it look, it's neat. I don't know if you've used the pathlib before, but you can do some pretty neat stuff with it. You can do some pretty neat, what's PyQt and Tinker? I don't know what those are. Let's call those advanced libs. So let's say PyQt or TKNet. I'm not familiar with that one. I don't know what that is. AI in Rust. Yeah, there you go. You can do some AI in Rust. Can you suggest me the best way to learn web development, MERN or JavaStack? MERN. Don't do the JavaStack. Stay away. That's legacy at this point. It's stay away. You want MERN, right? Mongo, Express, React, and Node. There you go. That's better. Just as fast and very commonly used these days, right? Also, Steven, can you talk about diet for health? I remember talking about that a while back. Yeah, Kevin McAllister. You just eat vegetables. That's it. That's all you gotta do. You just eat as many vegetables as you can get your hands on. And you like steam the vegetables and fruit too, right? You eat fruit and you're good to go. You're good to go. And then eat beans and a little bit of seeds, berries, right? Some nuts and seeds. You're good. That's it. That's all you gotta do. It's really easy. It's really easy. Nothing processed. Let's see. There are some really good Java libraries. Are there, Neva? I believe it because Java has proliferated very much. It is out there. AI in assembly. Oh, whoa, Mohammed. Now you're talking challenging. I don't know. You're thinking pain, aren't you? You want me to struggle. I know what you want, Mohammed. I know what you're talking about. Qt and Tinker are GUI libs. Oh, Tinker. Okay. So it's called TKINTER. Okay. For GUI. And we go to Qt, which is GUI. 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 The GUI labs. We'll get some GUI labs there. Get the GUI labs. Can you cover Selenium? Ooh. Is Selenium. Yeah, that might be a whole other episode. That's a good, right? So it's automation for runtime. Quality assurance. Like quality assurance automation is what that is. That's what that is. That's what Selenium is. It's QA automation. Did I type that right? Selenium. Is that how you type that? Okay. All right. The best way to learn MERN, if possible, from you or any good resources. There are a lot of tutorials out there. You go to React first, and then get the front end down, and then Node.js on the back end is super clean and easy. I mean, React on the front end, now you've got some challenges. Node.js on the back end, it's a little bit more tricky. It's good to have you guys here. Barbecue vegetables are so good. Sovereign, hey, how's it going? Sovereign126. SOVEREIGN. I want to add a TY on your name. Sovereign, I want to add a TY at the end of your name. SOVEREIGNTY. I want to add a TY. I'm just... Sovereignty. It's all about sovereignty, you guys. Okay, go and buy more vegetables. I have been cutting out all the processed foods. That's a good start. And with preservatives and emulsifiers, Kevin, you're on the right track. All you do is just buy the vegetable. Just straight up buy the vegetable. You're good. Eat the vegetable. So good. Live healthy. Live happy. I say that. Pygame might be fun. It might not be needed. All right, yeah, we could also do Pygame. We could add that. So a little bit of Pygame in there. Pygame. Because we did that for a few weeks. We did some Pygame for a few weeks. Isn't Selenium Kike a blockchain thing? Is it? I think you're thinking of Solana. Neva, is that something different? I actually don't know. I don't know. Web scraping for training data. Ooh. End project. All right, I like that. Now here's the end project idea. Web scraping for AI training. So we could do all in one, right? We could do that. So we'll do some scrape the internet, right? We do what all of the big players are doing. They go around the internet, they download all the data and all the text, and then they train their AIs up with it, right? Ooh, Flask is a good one. All right, we could do Flask, and then was it Fast API? Right, so you get some web server APIs in there, you guys. Good ideas. I like this. This is great. This is fantastic. I think Comet Browser uses Selenium for letting the LLM control the browser. Oh, Hey, Python. Hey, Savan. We're doing it. Python is happening. It's the day. Hey, Betty. How's it going? Good to see you. Happy Monday. add some simple games like Hangman. Yeah, we could do, right? We could do like simple games like H-Man. You could do that. That makes sense. I like that one, you guys. What else we got? Some Hugging Face based interference. Oh yeah, we could do that too. That's a good one. All right, so Hugging Face, pipelines, because this is easy. And then this allows us to get into AI. So we could even say this is like a whole other segment. We could do AI, Hugging Face pipelines, and we can do a few ones in there. Did we put any others in here? Is that advanced project? PyTorch, yeah. So I'll do this. Yeah, there we go. Hugging Face is easy. Then we get into PyTorch. Now you're into, that's a little bit. Ooh, SQLite. Oh, Kevin McAllister. I love that library. I love it. All right, so excellent. I'm gonna put that at the top. It's SQLite. There you go. SQLite, you guys. Right there, SQLite. UV corn. Sure. To run fast, make it fast. UV corn. Fast web API. So we show you how to use UV corn. Wait, how do you say that? I forget how do you spell that. Is it UVI corn? Something like that? Or is it UVC corn? Yeah, UVI corn. Okay. You have the same chair? You do? You've got this chair right here? Nice. It's pretty cozy. I like it. Hey, how's it going there? Appy? How do you say Appio? How's it going? Let's go. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Monday. Python is a platform-independent machine learning. What? Command line tools for system administrators. We could do CLI. We could do some CLI. I don't know what that would look like, CLI. Maybe like subprocess. Oh, we should also do multiprocessing. MP. We should do MP. Multiprocessing. You guys are coming up with a lot of good ideas. Maps in Python. Yep, we got maps. I believe we did map and reduce right here. We get map and reduce. Let's see. What is manim? Hey, how's it going? Horizon CPU. And Vivek, good to see you. Computer vision projects with Python. Yep, that's a good one. You do some computer vision stuff in there. So there, computer vision. We got that. Some computer vision there. Capitalize. There we go. Making it happen. Are we overwhelming people with this list? Yeah, I think so. I think there's a lot, isn't there? I thought this was going to be simple. I did. I really did. I thought, hey, we're going to have no problem whatsoever. What is manim? All right, I'm going to add it to the list. I don't even know what that is. What is it? Is it a library? Okay, M-A-N-I-M. All right. I don't know what that is. What is that? What is this? Right here. What is manim? I'll have to look that up. Manim popular right now? Is it? Can you set a keyboard cam like gamers do? You type super fast and it's short. Yeah, I could. I've got one. I've got an extra camera. We could set that up. Put it like in the top corner. We could do that. That could be a thing. We can make that happen. We could. All right. We can make it. I got to do that. SQLite. Perfect. Yes. Savan. Built-in keyboard store rudimentary replication for an in-lab. You used it in many years using SQLite from Python. Nice. Savan, you got it. You got it. Hey, RUX, how's it going? Hey, RUX, look at this. We're doing the thing that you wanted. RUX, we're doing it. Python. Bro, let's go. I'm taking notes. All right, sounds good. Poetry is being deprecated by UV. Is that a whole library? I didn't know. Oh, it's for animations. Oh, the more we know. Hey, we're learning. It's just a cinema made by 3B1B. Okay. That's good to know. Automate a business task with PyScript and Google Gemini free API. Oh, that's a good one. Yeah, we could do that. So we could do Gemma function, or we could do Gemini, which is the cloud-based supercomputer, to automate a business function. I like that. That's pretty good. We're doing good here. We're making things. I like it. You guys, these are great. This is great. So good, you guys. Oh, Manim is from 3 Blue 1 Brown. Makes math videos. Oh, that's okay. I've never used it before, but I didn't know. So we could look into it. You guys. Nice. RUX, yo, bro, you let go. Yes, let's go on Python journey. That's what we're gonna do. We're doing Python now. We'll get it up and running. UV is the new package manager written in Rust. Oh, yeah. Okay, so instead of pip, we use UV. You guys. I love it. I haven't seen that all together, making the curriculum. It's a great thing. I appreciate it. Very innovative idea, taking ideas from the audience. It's very good. Nice. Love from India. That sounds fantastic. All right, I appreciate it. For PyPy, the Python package index, there's a library called Textual for terminal user interface, TUI. Textual, all right. We'll say Textual. We'll try to see if we can get that, which is a TUI. TUI. It's a TUI lib. There we go. TUI lib, you guys. Okay. Good. All right. Let me know if there's anything we missed. So here's the top. So maybe variables, right? Just simple variables. We could do variables. Some very basic variables and literals, right? We should do literals. Literals. Starting with literals, getting to variables, flow control, loops, then arrays, objects, classes. We could do maybe some inheritance here. We could talk about closures, list comp, dunder methods, typecasting, reading and writing files, map reduce, probably up a little bit higher because it's, a little bit more common. Let me know if you have any other ideas, you guys. UV has amazing VM setups too. Love it. Nice. That too on Windows. Is it? It's good to hear. That's good to hear. I didn't know. I thought Python was the same everywhere. Is it different on Windows? Is that what you're saying? Yeah, I had to use it because Windows didn't know the file path, but UV worked it and pip didn't. Hey, so we should be using UV. I'm still using pip. I didn't know. I should be using UV. What editor is that? Hey, how's it going, Siraj? This is Vim. So Vim, right here. We got standard Vim. Just regular old Vim. Nothing fancy. Standard Vim, you guys. Regular, ordinary Vim. What is lambda? It's a one-liner function, right? You can say lambda in Python. So let's see here. Vi lambda.py. So in Python, you can write a function that is inline and we can be passed in a certain way. In like a map function or a reduce function, you need to specify a function that is going to be executed for a list. A equals 1. So now we're in like advanced mode here, right? And then you say a dot. Here, what we should do is we should pull this up. All right, Python lambda. Okay. Is it in here? Oh, I didn't even save it yet. There we go. All right, so let's try this. Let's see, what's it? Python lambda. Okay. Map. So that is not. So this is a. It should be map like this. I think it's like this. There we go. And that it asks for more because you need at least 2 arguments. You need a function right here. There needs to be a function. So you could define a lambda or def inc, right? You can increment and then the number, and you just return n plus 1, right? And then I think you could just say inc here. And then that doesn't even work. Oh, because did I do it in the wrong order? Function object not iterable. I did it in the wrong order. So that way? Is that how we do it? Yeah, there we go. Okay. So you can see what the output's going to be for a in iterable. Print A. Wait, actually, I should call this B. Print B. There we go. I think that's going to work, is it? Hey, there we go. All right, see, there. Hey, there we go. And so now instead of putting inc, instead of defining inc here, you could say lambda x plus 1. And it does the same thing, I think. Yeah, there you go. So there you go. That's where lambda comes in, you guys. Right there. That's where lambda comes in. Time and space complexity. What are you talking about? Paddle OCR. Optical character recognition. Shortest bait. What? We could do that as well. We could do that too. UV used to be hard. Installing Intel hardware libs on Windows. It used to be a challenge. It's probably good now. Cool, thanks. All right, sure. Happy to help. It's like the arrow functions in JavaScript. Yes, exactly. For creating a closure. So yeah, so you can do lambda like this, or you can just find a normal function like this, right? Normal function, or you could do lambda like this, like that right there. It's the same thing, right? So let me highlight both. See, there you go. So you can see there on the screen, we've got 2 sections of the code highlighted, and they're basically the same thing, right? Except for one requires you to define it beforehand, or you can define it inline. That's what a lambda is. And that's not in basics. We're like We're into advanced mode. We're heading into advanced mode. We should be talking about basics is what we should be doing. So I'll add that now. Let's get init, get add dot get stat. Let's see. Get status. All right. So we jumped ahead. We did lambda. So let's add this get commit -am. All right. Init commit and readme with our plans for the course material. There we go. Ha. And then we're good to go. What I should do is put this on a GitHub project real quick. GitHub. Let me make a new project for us, you guys. I'll make a new project. Where do we do that at? Here we go. Let me pull this in over here. Let's pull that in. All right. So add a new repository. And we'll make a new repository. I remember that I was annoying Deep that force into do a conda. Oh, right. Conda. I forgot about conda. Like there's conda and mini conda. UV might be another UV. It might be. I assume. Will you use lazy Vim? Hey, XYN, how's it going, XYN? We are using standard Vim. All right, so this is Python. We'll do Python basics. There we go. And I'll just create public. Good to go. All right, let's commit this and push this. So you guys, if you're interested in following along. All right, so let's push that there. All right. And then we should see a nice, pretty view with all of our curriculum. All right, I think so. Okay, there it goes. A little bit of a load there. Yeah, perfect. That's a big list. You guys, that's a big list. Code neural network. We did that already. We actually did that. And that's a good idea though. Sri, that's a good idea. That's a good one. I like that. We did it. Steven, you did a publish your vimrc? Yes, I did, Savon. You're right, I did. The tutorial already started. Let's go, right? Yep, Steven will never use lazy Vim since he's not lazy. I use lazy Vim because you are lazy. Hey, you know what? Lazy Vim is a pretty good, nice, the batteries included Vim ready to go. Make it into Markdown to-do list. We could, like a number, like numbers. We could. I know we could. It would be a little bit weird here. So, oops, no, whoops. All right, fine. We'll turn it into a list. 1 second, / and then we'll replace that with a 1 dot. There we go. No, let's do that again. Let's do that again with a space. There we go. Okay. So it's a bunch of ones in here, although I suppose we could increment. All right, we're going to increment a whole bunch now. 1 second. Actually, we've got a really good idea. Let's increment a whole bunch here. Dot. Increment. No. Anyway. 6, 7. I don't really want to do this. We're going to do a whole bunch of incrementing here. It'll take like 2 seconds. It'll take 2 seconds while we're doing this. Code neural network. Make it into a markdown. Oh. Kevin McAllister. That's way better. Cool Vim substitutions? Yeah. Okay, we're going to do what Kevin McAllister said. We're doing it right now. We're doing it. Undo, undo, undo. Okay. Okay, here we go. All right, so it's going to be just like Kevin McAllister said. So we're going to do dash and then that. Oops. I undid it. All right, 1 second. There we go. Boom. All right. Excellent. Okay, so now we can check them off, right? So all you have to do is go, boop, done, check, right? So let us add that. Get status, get add. Okay, we'll actually add it this time for real. Get converted to a list because Kevin McAllister told us to. Convert it into check mark list. TY Kevin McCallister. Exclamation point. Push. All right, there we go. There we go. Thank you, Kevin McAllister. It's a good idea. I have a 16 gigabyte Pi with Pi 5 with 26 T-flops. Are you serious? That's amazing. I didn't know you could do that. I didn't know something like that existed. That's amazing. You can connect your Llama server to make Jarvis. Yay, there we go. You're doing it the right way. Real time with Paddle OCR. Nice. That sounds shortest. That sounds great. You should do it. You should make that happen. And when trying pip install Tinker, it says fail to build wheel. Oh yeah. Because it's there's probably some binaries or some libs that are coming in, and for whatever your target is or your version of Python, Betty, it's not matching up, so it'll fail. It'll fail. Stephen, you did publish your, yes, okay, I saw that. All right, well, let's see, you can do visual select and then G to increment. Oh yeah, we could do that too. That's a good one, Kevin McAllister. And to increment the numbers, we could, yep. Oh, good, to cover the new case statements in Python. Oh, the match statement, thank you. I forgot about that. Here, let's do, we should do match statement. That's a good idea, the match statement, right? Which is kind of like the switch, right? It's a switch / case. It's like a switch case, except for in Python, they just call it match. In Python, they call it match. Hey, Drawing Brothers, how's it going? Good to see you. Will you give me more focus on Python used in machine learning? Yeah, absolutely. So that is where we're headed. Dev, hey, Dev, we are headed that direction. We're headed there. We're going to make it. We're going to make it, I promise. So near the end of this, we'll be going into more advanced AI. So yes, it is happening. It's happening. Pip uninstall Python. And delete the whole thing. Delete it all. Lovely to see you. What are we creating? How's it going, Joshua? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Monday. We're starting a course on Python basics today. We'll do literals, variables, flow control, loops, match statements, arrays, object classes, inheritance, MapReduce, lambda functions, enclosures, list comprehension, dunder methods, typecasting, reading, writing files, and common libraries like OS, math, regex, multiprocessing, subprocessing, and then manum. We're going to figure out what that is. We'll do some advanced libs like SysQLite, PyQt, Tinker, Qt, Selenium, Pygame, Flask, FastAPI, UVcorn, Textual, which is a TUI. Then we'll get into some AI like PyTorch, computer vision, Hugging Face pipelines, and then we'll wrap up with a project or two. Sounds good? Nice. My Python code bit me. Oh no, Mari, gotta be careful of those Pythons. They'll come after you. They'll get you. When are we going to use NumPy? Pandas. Oh, yes, that is here. So I got NumPy. There I have it. Here we go. I got to type that right. Sweet. NumPy, pandas. We could do pandas and matplotlib, right? So let's actually, what we should do is we should bring that over there. That's what we should do. We should do that. Let's bring this out of here. Get rid of that. Some of this. All right, so we're doing a little bit of cleanup now. Doing a smidgen of cleanup here. See, we'll do some common libs. There we go. Looks good to me. Operating system, math, regex, excellent. Good. All right, we cleaned it up. Let's get started. Let's get started with some literals. I think we'll get started at the very top. Wait, you forgot the pubnub lib. Oh yeah, Kevin, we should do that. We should do like networking, right? Networking. We could do, see here, equals. We could do pubnub for channel-based communication. We could do sockets, right? We could do sockets. We should also add the request. So request, where's that at? REQ. Did I add that in here? I know I added the request lib. Here it is. Okay. We'll add the request lib in as well. Perfect. Excellent. Looking good to me. I think we are on the right track. We are on the right track, you guys. Here we go. Boom. Excellent. All nice and tidy. Doesn't it look good? I think this looks great. All right. Clean. It's clean, you guys. Clean. Threading is not real threading in Python. We could do threading too. We could do threading if you want. We can do some threading. It's neat. Let's see. Where do we do multiprocessing? MP. Where is that? Multiprocessing. Did I have that in here? Where is it? Here we go. MP. Right here. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. Appreciate it. Good to see you. Good to have you here. All right. So we should add in threading, which is not real. It's pretend threading. You can't. Multiprocessing is going to get what you really want, right? Multiprocessing will get you what you actually want. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Hey, Steven, is this Z IDE? This is not Z, so I'll type it out. So this is Vim plus tmux plus ghosty. This is what that is right there. Right there, right in the middle of my screen. I see a whole bunch of green highlighted text right there. That is what this is. That's what we're using right now. Do you Whisper transcribe your audio on screen in real time? It is. It's like Whisper, right? It is. It's live, right? Isn't that neat right there? Right here, you guys. What do you know? Some live pillow. All right, we could do pillow. Some visuals. All right, so advanced libs. All right, so we'll add that in it. There's so much. It's really pillow, which is pill, right? You got the pill. The pill library, which is for images. Image manipulation. We can do that too. This is great, you guys. This is great. Let's see. Sorry, I'm missing some of your chat messages. Let me know if I missed your chat message and I missed it. Piper TTX, text to speech. Ooh, shortest bait and tackle. We could eventually add that, right? We could, so you guys have your own voice. What is PubNub? Oh, hey, all right. So before we get started, let me answer you that question with answering who I am. All right. So my name is Stephen Blum. I am CTO at PubNub. We have over 1 billion connected devices. I have 68 patent claims that have been granted already, and I've been in tech for 25 years. I'm excited to tell you about all the things that have worked for me. If you have any questions, let me know. Let me know, you guys. Best Vim motions. I like all the standard Vim motions. I use / I like visual mode. Carpet visual mode is the best. Threading and synchronization primitives are a favorite subject in Python interviews, are they? Nice. Yeah, so perfect. What is Ghosty? All right, Ghosty is a terminal emulator. It is GPU accelerated, right? So you got GPU accelerated right here, and it's very fast. And it runs on Mac and Linux. If you're on Windows, too bad you don't get Ghosty. You don't get it. Too bad. Sorry. Haha. You have to be on Linux or Mac. Code predates Whisper like 5 years. Does it? I didn't know that. I didn't know. Oh yeah. Are you doing that? I am. I am doing that. Oh, hey, Steven, try Nix. What is Nix? It's the VN for everything. Hey, Quantified Quantum, good to see you. Happy Monday. You can define package needed alongside a bunch of other and auto-install them in a virtual shell. Gotcha. Please. Oh, how's it going there? Please have just started with Python Basics. Yep, that's what we're going to do. We're going to do it. We're going to get going here. Let's get going. Let's make it happen. All right. Literals.py. All right, so we're going to start off with the easy stuff. We'll start off with the easy stuff. What we should do is so first thing is you're going to open up an empty file. Can you get more basic than that? Open up your text editor for an empty file. I don't know if you can get any more basic than that. Pip uninstall Windows, right? It's good to have you guys here. If I miss your chat message, it's because the chat messages are going pretty quickly and there's a lot happening. All right, so what you can do with a literal is you can literally just type a number on the screen. There you go. And you can run Python and it should work perfectly. Python. Wait, what is this file called? Literals? Okay, let's do that. So Python literals. And then you can just run it and it's fine. You can also do that here. You can say string. So string. And you can do null. I think it's null, right? Or is it null like that? Is it null all capitals? No, or is it nil? Hold on. How do you say? Oh, none. It's called none. That's what it is. In Python, it's none. None is like the nil. All right. So we got comments. Comments look like that, right? So you got code comments with the octothorpes. Did you know these guys? Did you know that's called an octothorpe? Did you know that's an octothorpe? Hello, VXX guy here. How's it going, Santana? Good to see you. Hi, love your content. How do you combat overfitting and custom random forest in ML model accuracy? You want to do regularization, right? You want to add regularization. You could also make sure that you're not, so your activation functions, however you're doing it, you don't want to get to a vanishing gradient too quickly. You also could add dropout. There's a couple of tricks. And then you can also change how your encoding works when you're importing the data into your model. You can have this going, hey, Kelman, hey, gang, hey, it's good to see you, Kelman. Will there be a, missed your message. So you're going by quick, you guys, going by quick. Let's see here, will it be saved for later review? Yes, it will. How to be good in Vim motions. It's hard. Yes, any tips? All right, so type Vim tutor and then press enter. You're going to get everything you want right here. You get Vim tutor. Did you know about Vim tutor, you guys? And then you go through it and it just follow the instructions. Just follow it. There's a lot. It just keeps going. It keeps going, you guys. And you get used to it after a while. None is none, right? None. And see, watch this. Did you know that this will run if you run this file? Boom. No errors. Isn't that neat? Literals. These are literals in Python. And so let's go through a few more literals. Sorry. So you got true. And you also got false. Right? So there's more literals. We also got floating point numbers. right? So you got floats there. Empty modules. We could do dictionaries, arrays. So this will run perfectly fine. See, there's no errors. No errors at all. Isn't that neat? No errors, you guys. Empty modules. What are empty modules? I actually don't know what that is. What's an empty module? Tell me about it. We also have pass. You can do that, which is it's not a literal, it's an operator, but it won't do anything. It's just there as a placeholder, so that way when you're doing indentation, which is a mandatory-ish type technology within Python, no methods, no functions. Oh yeah, we should probably add that, shouldn't we? All right, so let's add into here. We should do methods and functions, right? Methods versus functions. We could do that when we get into classes. We'll do that as well. Good idea. Good idea, Savan. Just literal values for declarations. A module that does nothing. Oh yeah, we can do a module that does nothing, which is the underscore init underscore dot py. Is that what you're talking about? I think that's what you're talking about. So we do have 30 minutes left, and then I got to get going. However, good news, we have plenty of time. How old are you? I thought you were 30. I am older than the Primogen. Let's just say that. I'm older than the Primogen, you guys. Older. Let's see. So for an example, config.py, for me, it's empty module. Well, I think what you can do is say, watch this. All right, so let's do an empty module real quick. The way that I think I remember how it works. So you make a directory, mkdir my mod, and then you touch my mod with underscore init underscore dot py, and then you can simply say import my mod, I believe, and that should give you no errors at all. I'll find out. I know that we're good. There it goes. Yeah, I told you. See, no problems at all. You can do that right there. Did you know that? I bet you didn't know that. It's even better. Nice. Automating basic stuffs with Python. There we go. We could do that. All the things, even if it has the statement pass. That is a method. It is. You could do that, right? You could do that. So def empty, right? And then you just say pass like that. It's an empty method right there. And you can even execute it. Empty. It doesn't do anything. Python run. And see, right now what we're doing is, it might seem like we're messing around and nothing's really happening because there really isn't anything happening. We're just typing syntactically correct things on the screen and we're not getting any errors. What we could do is we can have an error. Like I think what we could do is like do some syntax errors, and you will see an error, right? See an error there. We'll see an error here. Got an error there. But if you notice, now we get no errors. Just going through the very basics. I don't know how we can get more basic. Can you describe a way to get even more basic than what you currently see on the screen? I don't know if you do. Do print math.py, inspired by Lua. Okay. Import math. And then we say print math.py. Like that? Is that what you're thinking? So this should print out something. Here we go. There you go. 31415926535897993. And that's just a few of the characters of Pi, you guys. Thank you for the likes and the floaty heart icons. Excellent. Added a section for Easter eggs. Oh, yeah, Savan, you taught us about the Easter eggs. All right, let's do that. Redo. 1 second. Redo. Okay, good. Okay. All right, let's do it. All right, we'll do Easter eggs. Right? So wait, that is, I forgot. What is it? This? Right? Import this? Let me double check. Python import this. Is that? Yeah. Okay, good. Easter egg. All right. Wait, what was the other Easter egg, Savan? Let me know. Remind me what it was. I remember this. Yesterday, my mouse battery was dead. Uh-oh, Python helped me to move my mouse cursor position to the arrow using the arrow keys. Drawing Brothers, that's amazing. You figured it out. Can you try Claude Opus 4.5 to write a blog post with the Python basics to-do list? That is a good idea. That's a good idea, Kevin. And that would be really easy because I just copy and paste the text that you just did straight into Claude Opus, and it will do it for us automatically. There's nothing to do. Nothing to do there. All right. Print hello world is the very basic. Okay, the jam. You figured it out. You win, the jam. You win. Good job, the jam. Good job. All right, so we're going to follow the jam's description here. So what I'm going to do is we're going to print print hello, right? This is the most basic you can get, right? World. Excellent. Perfect. Perfect. The jam. You did it, the jam. You did it! Congratulations! You figured out what is even more basic than what we're doing. The print statement, right? Actually making the computer do something. All right, you ready? Let's make it. Whoops. Nope, not than that. There we go. Literals. All right, hello world. There we go. Hello world. All right, so while true, do, echo, and then sleep 0.1. Done. There we go. Hello world. Get the hello worlds on the screen there for you. Over and over. I thought I was going to be infinite and crash the stream. It might have been. No, the basics is pass. Isn't it weird? Pass doesn't do anything. It doesn't do nothing. Isn't it weird? Hey, did you know that? I didn't even think that. So if you write pass and then you still print below it. What? Shouldn't pass like bypass the print? It doesn't. Did you know about that? Isn't that ridiculous? Nice content. Nice. Thank you, Random. Or Ramchand. Ramchand, thank you. Import this. Carpet. Yep, we go. Import this. You got it. You got it. Let's see. 1 second. Okay. Could you once again explain what's going on for the recent joining? Yes, I will. All right. So check this out. Let's see. Close this by README. All right. Here you go. We're doing Python basics. We just got started today. Monday is the starting day for Python basics. If you're here now and you wanted to learn Python, or you're already a seasoned Python engineer and you've had many years of experience, then this is a fun refresher, especially now that all the AIs are writing all the code for us anyways. It's good to get back into it, right? Also, if you're an expert and you don't need a refresher, it's still fun to follow along. I think it's still fun. I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying. Check this other Easter egg Stephen up mentioned. What is it called? Pass will only pass that line, right? Only the line. Makes sense now. It makes sense now. So tan pi by 2. Tan by pi 2. Love the concept. Nice. Good to hear. How to stop it in IDE code. We can just stop it if you want. What are the other Easter eggs? I missed it. Can import hello. Oh, thank you. Thank you. All right. Let's grab that really quick. All right. So Easter eggs. We'll do import this. We'll indent. We'll do an indentation here. Indent. All right. So we'll do import this and import __ hello. Like that. With double underscore. Perfect. Perfect. Excellent. All right. Thank you, Savan. Thank you. Appreciate it. That's exactly what I was looking for. I forgot what the other one is. Now we did it. Import anti-gravity. Oh, hey. Now we're going to do it now. What's going to happen when we do that? Anti-gravity. Does anyone know? Do you remember what happens when you import anti-gravity? What's going to happen? I forgot. Isn't that the name? That's the name of the IDE by Google, right? The agentic IDE anti-gravity. Can you do that in Python? I don't know. What would even happen? Do you guys want to find out? I do. All right, hold on 1 second. Import anti-gravity. Did I type that right? Anti-gravity. All right, let's try it. Oh, I forgot about that. Hey, you guys remember this? XKCD. How are you flying? It's Python. Wait, what? I learned it last night. Everything is so simple. Everything is so simple now. Just print hello world and you're good to go. Hello world, you guys. Easy. I don't know. Dynamic typing, white space. Come on, join us. Programming is fun again. It's the whole new world up here. But how are you flying? How are you flying? I just typed import anti-gravity. That's it? That's all you did? I also sampled everything in the medicine cabinet for comparison, just to check. But I think it's the Python for sure. FKCD for the win, right? Check this out with while true, crash PC, del. No, don't do it. That won't do anything. That will not do anything. It will literally not do anything. It won't work. It won't do anything. I pressed on enter and on accident. Oh, got it. It still won't do anything. Crash PC isn't a thing. It's not a thing. We can control SCADA using Python. Python is the go-to language for hacking. Is it, Drawing Brothers? I figured C was the go-to language for hacking, or assembly. One of those two. I want a language like Python that will work in real time. Rust, but Python. Yes, please, Kevin McAllister. You're saying the best thing in the world right now. I want a Rust version of Python, or Python version of Rust, essentially. I want Rust performance and capabilities with the simplicity of Python. Yes, please. List comprehension. Yep, yes on the list. You got it. Curious and deletes the C drive. Oh, gotta be careful. Don't delete the C drive, you guys. All right. Okay. So git status, git add, git commit, added literals. So we did literals. We did it. Literals. Push. Origin main. All right. Can you try Iron Python? Ooh, Google Iron Python and PyPy. Those are alternatives to CPython. When you have Python in your computer, it's already pre-installed as CPython. Python is written in C. There are other implementations of Python being able to grab the interpreted, because it's a scripting language essentially, and they can add just JITs, right? Just-in-time compilation gives it faster performance, like Savon's describing. We should at least add it onto the list. Faster Python. All right, we just do that right there. All right, faster Python with a rocket symbol. We should do that. Faster Python. All right, let's make it happen. It is, we got PyPy, and we've also got Iron Python. Iron Python. There you go, guys. There you go. Faster Python. We can do that. Save. Get escape. There we go. Excellent. Yes. Okay. Good. Good. Okay. Excellent. AKA Python backends, just like LLVM. Yes. Exactly. What if we only interface to tech with language? What if that was the case? That would be wild. Well, I don't know. Steven doesn't have a C drive. I don't. I have a whatever Mac has. I don't know what I did. What does Mac have? All right, you guys, we've got 22 minutes. We are going to click the X button because we just did literals. Are we ready for phase 2? Let's do some variables. Variables.py. All right, so let's do some variables. All right, so let's say here, we'll say my number equals 1. And we'll say my string equals hello. So these are variables. And then what you can do is you can print them. Print my number. And then you can say print my string as well. There you go. These are ways to store data. They're mutable and they are typeless. You can specify a type. It won't matter though. It won't matter in many cases. Speaking of faster Python, is Mojo still being worked on? Oh, right, Mojo. The gem, I forgot about that. It's like a Python style language, faster, intended for machine learning. I think it was intended for machine learning. Oh, too late. I already deleted the C drive. Oh, no. Betty, no. I forgot to use Linux, so I removed dir. AKA Python. Okay, Python team will remove Gil. Then we can expect huge performance. Didn't they do that in 3.14? I thought they allowed you to remove it. You can disable it right now if you want. We could do that. All right, I'm going to go to sleep, Steven. Got to be healthy. Good, Kevin McAllister. Stay healthy. Get some sleep. Be well. Thanks for the stream. Lots of fun. Nice. Good to have you. Good to see you. Python today. You got it. Left C++. We did. Yep, we did. We left it. It's gone. Now we're on to Python, you guys. We're on to Python. All right, so we got numbers, strings. What else can we do? We can do a float. My float equals, wait, let's like this. It's going to be a 100 point, let's like 1010, right? My float. What else? My Boolean equals true, right? You can do that as well. And then we can print that as well. Print the float. Perfect. And Gil is also performance win for lots of simpler code because you need less, right, lock less nonsense. Good point, Neva. That's a good point. They do have yet to make Mojo join the soundness issues. They're not ready. Okay. They're not quite ready yet. Let's see. I'm a scientist on a distant planet. I have to build my own software tools on the job because it's the future. It is. We're in the future now. You got it. We're in the future. I installed Mojo when it was first introduced, but never deployed it with a project. Same here. You and I, Drawing Brothers, we did the exact same thing. We did exactly the same thing. I think you should stick to one language and explore it to its depths. Priya, yep. You got it. Is it Priyank? Let me know if I got your name right. I think it's Priyank. See what all the possible, see everything that's possible with it. Yes. Print my bool. Okay, there we go. There we go. So now we got some variables and we're using the variables. Oops, nope. Python variables. There you go. Okay, so you see here, print one. If we go over here, this is the print one. You can see that. And then hello. We got hello. Hey, Joe, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. You joined the right channel for software engineering. Today we're doing Python basics. We're doing C. And Squirrel Boy, hey, thank you for subscribing. Good to have you here. It's a good Monday. It's Monday, you guys. We're making our way. You think F strings are basic? Oh, F strings. We should add F strings on our list. I forgot about that. Thank you, because it's pretty new. F strings. We should add that. And we should put that near the top, right? F strings. All right, we got to do some F strings, you guys. We got to do F strings. We kind of did variables. I'm gonna put that right there. Thank you for the likes and heart reactions, you guys. Appreciate it. Good to have you here. Happy Monday. Also, you guys, thank you again for subscribing. Appreciate it. Oh, hey, DJ. DJ, thank you for subscribing. Nezcall. DJ Nezcall's here, you guys. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the hearts. Did we add list comprehension? Yes, we got list comprehension. Here we go. List comprehension. There you go. We got some list comprehension right here, you guys. That will allow us to Dick. Oh, right. Okay. Yep. I know what you're describing. Dictionary comprehension. Did you know that there was such a thing? Dictionary comprehension? Did you know? It is. It's another thing. It is. You probably have never used it in your entire life. Savon, you're one of very few people in the whole world who knows about dictionary comprehension. You're one of the very few. Very few. Also, there's a funny Easter egg in from future import braces. All right, I'm going to try that. We'll add that to our Easter eggs. Thank you. All right, here. Where is our Easter eggs at? Easter eggs. Oh, no. Oh, we got rid of our Easter eggs. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we accidentally deleted Easter eggs. Whoops, we were typing too fast. Whoopsie doodles. Okay. All right, let's see if we can. What we need to remember it. So this was Easter eggs. \C. Yep, we deleted it accidentally. Whoops. Okay. Easter eggs. So we have import this, import hello, underscore hello. Where is it? HELLO, right? HELLO. Perfect. And then what is this? From. All right. So there's another Easter egg right there. Thank you for reminding me. I did not mean to delete that. I'm very sorry about that. I feel like, where did it go? Import braces. And then we also have, what was it? Import anti-gravity. All right. See, we remembered them all, right? Anti-gravity. Now we won't forget. Now we won't forget anymore. No more forgetting. Perfect. All right. Git status, git add, git commit. All right. 1 second. We're done with Christmas. We don't need that Christmas music. Let's see. Okay. 15 minutes to go, you guys. I use it every day. Do you? Mathematics with Python. That's a good one. We got to do some. Oh, time. We got to do time as well. Libraries. Lib, back to C. All right. Let's do time. Time. The time lab. That's a good one. Good to have you guys here. Happy Monday. So we did accidentally. I know we definitely did. We must have undid too many things. We pressed undo too many times. And so we missed some of the things. It's okay, though. It's okay. We're fine. It's all good. Give it just AM. Added. What did we do? We did variables. Variables. Perfect. We got. Well, one thing we got to do is get our Git perfectly. Let's see here. Boop, boop, boop. Where is it? Where did that go? Perfect. Okay. Perfect. Yeah. What about Flask? Oh, we got it. 20 more minutes, right? Only 20 more minutes, especially when preparing for syntactic data for small fine-tuning. Makes sense? Makes sense? Okay. All right, so where were we at? All right, we got the Easter eggs back. Thank goodness we got the Easter eggs back. Hello, what are we doing today? Hey, I love food. Good to see you. We are doing Python basics. We just finished literals and variables. We got 14 minutes now. So we're going to do flow control, maybe some loops. And then eventually we'll get down to this list. We got quite a few things here. We got quite a few things on this list. It's a nice big list. So what I'm going to do is git status, git commit dash am. What did we do here? We added, okay, so readme cleanup. Clean up. There we go. And then this is amazing. It's like a full list, isn't it? It's huge. What's under there? So wait, is it? What are you saying, Betty? What are you saying? I think you've got a follow up to that. Git push origin main. Now what I want to do is I want to go back to my list here real quick. I'm going to go back to my list. All right, so let's go, and over here I want to look at all the commits. I want to see this commit. Literal, did we delete anything? What did we delete? I want to look at all the commits. Where are we here? Code commits. Bruh, what do you mean? What's under there? Bruh, is it? It's the more we know. It's the more we know, you guys. All right, let's see. All right, so we did it. We got literals and variables. I want to see where our commits are. Where that at? Where are my commits? Do I need to increase the windows? What is this here? Commits. There it is. It's just too big. It was too big. Okay. I want to see this one and this one and this one and this one. Okay. In project. Okay. So nope, that's fine. Don't need to worry about that. All right. Looks good. Methods versus functions. So see, I knew it. I knew we missed something. I knew it. Okay. Let's go back over here. Method, back to C. Okay. Let's do that. Method versus functions. What else did we delete? We got the Easter eggs back. We remembered all the Easter eggs. Did you finish the blockchain project? We did not. We did not. We actually got fairly close. We can get back to it, though. That is something that we'll jump back into. We will. Sorry, I can't donate. I have 16 cents in my bank account. I love food. You're perfectly fine. Thank you for being here. That's the most important thing, that you are here and everyone else as well. I'm glad that you guys are here. All right, so we're good on that. We didn't need that. Oh, we need, yes, we got to add networking back. All right. Whew. All right. Set paste. Oh, paste. There we go. Networking. Advanced libs. Yep. So we added numpy, right? Let's make sure we get that back in there. Pi. Do we have that? Okay. Advanced. Let's go back to advanced libs. Here we go. Paste that. There we go. All right. Clean that up. Yeah. All right. So we did a whole bunch of things in here where we, all right. Merp. Okay. Looks good. Looks good. Okay. What is that? But we'll have to finish Python first. Yes, exactly. We will. We got to finish. We'll finish Python first. Good to have you guys here. Happy Monday. We're getting everything set up here. All right. Clicking that over. Oh, we need to indent that. Looking good. Can you get me an internship? Well, Blade Z, I can let you know when if we have any internships open, I'll let you know. I'll put it on our Discord. I'll put it on the Discord, you guys. All right. We are almost finished with this. Let's look to see if I miss anything else. All right, so I accidentally deleted these guys. Let's bring that back. We also deleted pillow, which is, whoops. We didn't mean to delete pillow. There we go. All right. Back to the races. And then, let's see. Text and pillow. Text and then pillow. Let's get pillow back here. Got to get pillow back. This list is so comprehensive. I should have expected nothing less. I'm stoked. Hey, thank you, Kyle. Thank you. You learned Bright script. I love food. That sounds like an exciting script to learn. Yo, Bethany, how's it going? Bethany Rainey. Happy Monday. I got Hacktoberfest t-shirt, but it's too large. Oh no, that's not good. You want it to be the right size. You want it to be just right for purposes. All right. That's fine. We don't worry about that. Okay. All right. We got everything back. We got it all back, you guys. Everything's back. Let me double check. Common libs. Do we have subprocessing? Molt. Yes, we have MP subprocessing. Request libs. Yep. Time. Looks good. Okay. Good. Manum. Yep. Okay. Then we added Tinker, Qt, Selenium. Oh, do we have Selenium? Selin. Yep. We got it. Okay. And then Hugging Face. Do we have that? Hugging Face. Yep. Good. All right. You heard the 10-minute bell. You guys heard the 10-minute bell, and I got to get going. We're going to do a few more Python basics before we head out. Yes. Nice. Bright script is based off of Basic and Lua at the same time. What? That sounds cool. It is. It does sound cool. All right. Let's get back to this. All right. Git status, git commit, restored. We restored the README because we pressed the delete button accidentally. We accidentally pressed the delete button. Does this git commit -m? Wait, git add. Sorry. There we go. Git push origin master main. Okay. I think I've sketched. You have a sketch of the PyTorch thingy for when you want to do it. Never thank you. I was it's so great that you did that. Thank you. I was wondering about that because I was just thinking about it. I'm like, hey, we were going to eventually do a whole list of all the matrix manipulation functions. I wanted to do it. And then I was like, oh yeah, Neva said that you were going to manipulate the functions. You were going to create a whole list of functions for us to do. Wait, is the live stream ending? Bethany, yes, I got to get going in about 8 minutes. However, we got some time. 3.4. Wait, variable 3.4. Hey, Mike Jones, how's it going? What are you saying? Did you add encoding binary manipulation to the list? We could do that. We could do that as well. That's a little bit more advanced. We're kind of past Python basics at this point. I think now we're doing a whole course on Python. We're going way past the basics. Python basics, yeah, Okay, we could do binary, so we could do some binary manipulation. Let's see here, binary manipulation. We could do that as well. Encoding, decoding, binary manipulation. We could do that. Do simulation in Python. Hey, how's it going there, Mensa? Mensa, what are you talking about simulation? We could do that as well. Hey, I'm trying to speak in Python. Oh, I see what you did there, Mike Jones. I didn't get it. I'm sorry. I didn't get it. I didn't know what you were saying. That would maybe work. We could do that. I'm gonna go by. Okay, Betty. Thank you for stopping in. I'm here for it. Me too. Thank you. This time it's better for me. I won't have to sacrifice my sleep. Good call. Make sure to sleep, you guys. Harry Potter ? We could do some magic. We can make some magic happen. All right, so let's close that. All right, where are we? Thank you for the reactions, you guys. Thank you for the heart icons. Cute. Let's see. What do we do here? Oh, perfect. I got it. All right, there we go. Get status. All right. We're good to go. Is there a game project? There was. Hey, clipped. All right. Thank you, share it in Discord. I'm kind of curious what you clipped. I didn't even remember. Wait, what are you saying? All right, let's do one more. So where are we? Read me. Thank you for the reactions, you guys. Appreciate it. Let's do some if-else loops. Or some if-else there. So we'll do flow control.python. All right, so we have a number equals 10. We'll say a number 10. Number is equal to 10. So then we can say if number greater than 10, then we print number is greater than 10. Exclamation point and a party popper, right? Because it's a big number, right? We want to have a party popper in there. However, elif number is equal to 10. Then we say print number is exactly 10. And then we could be okay with it. Well, let's have like a smiley face, right? We'll have a smiley face. And then we say else, essentially, if it's not greater than 10, if it's not equal to 10, it will be less than 10, right? Then we say print number is less than 10. Hey, how's it go, Sachin? Sachin, thank you for subscribing. Happy Monday. You scrubbed at the right time because we're wrapping up here. We're wrapping up, and then we have a slightly just a normal face, right? We'll be content. We'll be content or something like that. Let's do something that prints here, or maybe we'll be no. Let's see here. Let's see. Yep. Well, no. You know what? I've got a better idea. Let's do we can't. All right, here. Can we do that? No, my terminal doesn't like to show that. So we'll just do a thumbs up. Well, actually, what we should do is maybe we'll just do rain umbrella. Okay, perfect. We'll do weather. It's less than 10, so we'll do weather umbrella. Perfect. So now what we do is we say Python. What is going to be the output on the screen? I know it's a simple thing to say. What do you think when I run this program? What is it going to do? What is it going to do, you guys? What's going to happen? Monte Carlo, the physics trials. Can we do one after basics? We could. I don't see why not. We could teach coroutines by implementing it with generators, iterators, and yield. I forgot about that. Now we're getting into extremely advanced. Now we're getting into extra advanced. Okay. So I'll add that onto the list, right? Coroutines with generators, iterators, and yield. Yep, now we're getting a little smidgen more advanced than you expected, right? Just a little bit more in there. All right, so I'm going to put that under advanced because that's a little bit more advanced, you guys. It's just a smidgen more advanced. just a bit more, a tidbit more advanced. Finding odd or even in binary manipulation is faster than the modulus operator. We should add the modulus operator. We should add operators on this list. When no one said operators? Operators. So we've got plus, minus, divide, multiply, modulus, caret. Whoa! Hey there now. User, send in $4.99. What are your tips on getting out of burnout? I feel trapped in IT as my career isn't going anywhere. Well, thank you for the $4.99. That was amazing. I was not expecting it. I need to answer your question now. We only got 3 minutes left, so I'm going to spend the rest of my time on your question here. Also, if anyone knows what's going to happen when I run this command, if you know what's going to happen, just put it in chat, and I want to see if you guys can figure it out. All right, so burnout. Let's see. What do I do? Just walk away. You just step away for a little while. I mean, that's what I do, is just stare at the wall. Stare at the wall. Don't think about anything and just do something different. Obviously, that's the answer, right? If you're looking for advance your career, go to the next stage, do something different. Mix it in. How's it going there, Anthony? Good to see you. Hello. We're about wrapping up here, and we're going to spend the rest of the 2 minutes that we have with user. How do we deal with burnout? What are we making? Willow, how's it going? So we are doing Python basics. We're doing Python basics. We did flow control, literals, and variables. Also, we created the course materials in this giant list of things here because everyone on stream was like, hey, we should do this as well. The number is exactly 10. Iron Boy, you did it. Congratulations. Iron Boy is the winner. You did it. From C to Python. You got it, Anthony. You got it. Steven has one module. Mode. Go. Exactly. Go mode. How else do we deal with burnout? For user is interested in dealing with burnout. Well, you could also try a new thing, right? Try a different language, because again, it gets exciting again, right? It gets exciting again. Try getting into a different discipline. Maybe you want to do data science. Maybe we want to do data aggregation, data analytics. Maybe we want to go into AI, right? There's a whole other thing. What about game development? Oh, what? I answered first. Did you, Common? I missed it. You did, Common? Sorry, I missed you. The print number is exactly 10. Oh, you did say it. Okay, Common, you got it right first. You got it right. Did you, though? Did you? Let me double check. I've got 40 seconds left, you guys. Did you say it? Who number 10? Yeah, you did. You got it first. All right, Common, I missed that. Thank you. You got it right. What is the difference between Python and Python 3? The Python 2 is usually more Python 2 versus 3. They have different syntax. They've got different syntax. All right, everyone, we got to head out. Thank you for joining. It was so great to have you here today. We will continue Python basics tomorrow. We'll do some loops. We'll do some arrays, some F strings, right? Format strings, objects and classes, operators, and things like that. Thank you for joining. It was great to have you here. You should let us win PubNub merch. All right, we could do that. Iron Boy, thank you. Willow, Kyle, Savon, it was great. Mike Jones as well. Good to have you here. Common. And Anthony, thank you guys for joining in. Also, if you guys are still here, we got Willow. Hey, bye. Cool. Thank you guys in Santana. Much love. Have a good one. Thank you. You too. KO, how's it going? Yodia. Thank you. What you using? We're doing Python. We'll be back, guys, tomorrow. Good to be here. Thank you for joining in, Savon. Bye, guys. Bye, Colin. Bye, Ramchan. Chandra. Bye, Ramchandra. Tomorrow, what would the time for live stream? About the same time, I think. Well, I gotta double check. It'll be around this time. Good to see you guys. We're headed out now. What's your stack, bro? Every stack. All the stacks. I am Rust, though I could just say Rust. Bye, guys. See ya. See you tomorrow.